everyone, this is Veena Vijay Painse and let's see what the month October 2020 has in store for the sun sign Aquarius. So for the Aquarians, this month is all about simply giving up, going with the flow, doing your bit but not expecting the results. Yes, you heard it right. It's all about basically surrendering, because in this month there will be a lot of times where you will try to literally push to do things that you want to do, but they are not going to happen at the rate at which you are going to anticipate it. The more you push harder, you will see that you will get more frustrated and you might get irritated, and your wanted results will seem going more farther away from you. So the best way to tackle with this is simply do your thing and leave the rest to the way things will unfold. Moving on to the work section. Somehow this month is extremely beautiful for the Aquarians, because though the results might be delayed and the deadlines will keep on increasing, what happens is the workspace atmosphere is going to be extremely pleasant and loving and cooperative and harmonious. So you will find your juniors and, or let's say the colleagues with whom you work, very cooperative and loving and understanding towards you. So when the workspace atmosphere is very collaborative and very cooperative, you will see that a lot of creative juices of yours will flow very effortlessly, and that you will have a very pleasant and a very beautiful month at your workspace. Moving on to the finances. Finances are absolutely beautiful for the Aquarians for this month. So your personal finances are absolutely being taken care of. Your savings and investments, everything is absolutely fine. In this month, if in case that you are about to receive some property, some kind of an inheritance, or if there's going to be a division of assets in your house, see to it that don't expect things to happen immediately in October 2020. There is a possibility that things would be delayed. There is a possibility that you might want things to happen in a certain way and you might argue for it, you might push for it, and then things would go in a completely different opposite way. So the best solution for this is to just simply let things happen the way they are happening. Yes, you can have your say. You can actually talk about what would you like to do, what you not like to do, but do not try to push things and make it happen the way you want to happen, because the more you try to do that, you will see that the opposite things will happen a lot in your life. That might lead you to a lot of anger and irritation and physical draining. So just leave it at that. Say your word, speak your mind, and then just leave the rest to the circumstances. When it comes to relationships, so if in case you are about to commit yourself to someone, this is absolutely a very good month. However, see to it that you don't fix any dates in the month of October 2020. For example, dates for engagement or dates for functions like Roka or marriage. Don't fix anything for this month. Rather, let the month of October 2020 go by, and then you can probably fix the date in some other month. Because if you actually fix up any date for any kind of a function this month, you will see that unforeseen circumstances and situations will suddenly crop up and your plans will all get disrupted. So in order to avoid that, see to it that you put your things for the next month. Yes, you can go ahead and give the commitment, but not hold the function for it. Similarly, for couples who are going through a divorce, or if you are planning to if you think that the divorce will come through by this month, it is going to be later than that. So if in case you're going through any kind of a legal proceedings, any kind of a legal procedure, there is a chance that the results will be delayed. Something that you expected that would happen by October would actually be pushed beyond the October, beyond October 2020. Moving on to the matters of health. Your health is going to be absolutely excellent, at least when it comes on a physical level, on an emotional level. But mentally, what is going to happen is, because this month is a month for you to let go, and that's going to be a little bit difficult for you to do in this month. So there are chances that you will be more mentally active than usual. that would lead to a lot of sleepless nights, that would lead to anxiety. So see to it that you just simply surrender. Stop resisting to things that are not within your reach, and that is the solution for it. Do your best and just leave it. See to it that your sleep times and your sleep routines are absolutely properly maintained. Otherwise, that would lead to kind of migraines or headaches. Wishing you a very, very beautiful and a very happy, blessed month ahead.